Okay, I'm just on the last rivet here. This is a little, I just found this standoff on some old equipment and drilled out the thread to accommodate the rivet, because I was missing this that indexes into that notch there and holds a little bit of a height so you can put a carpet underneath. So yeah, this is just perfect on the diameter, and so you can bear witness to the last one. How's that sound? Where are you? Right there. Okay, and pop that in. Pop the old rivet gun on there. Replace that one, maybe I should, but it looks pretty good. I've replaced every other rivet except for these ones across the front here, which weren't holding anything together. I love the manufacturing badge. Holterman Alluvial Gold Dredges, 12 Benning Avenue, Turramurra. The number on there is so old that it's got, they added 9s to the front, so that number would have been a 9449 after the update to the numbers, so that gives you an idea of how old it is. And that is a residential address. I dare say the guy that made this is long dead. Indicators of the age of the manufacturing is when you look at things like the threads used. They're using a flat bladed screw. I don't think you can even buy flat bladed screws anymore. There's a strange little error where he must have accidentally drilled some holes here, because they don't hold anything in. Or maybe there was supposed to be some sort of plate that was on the inside there. But anyway, it's all back together and looking flash. There's the riffles. You slide in there like that. That latches across like that. And yeah, there'd be a carpet under there holding that sitting high. I've got some, I've got an old carpety moss thing in the shed there I'll cut up, and that'll fit perfectly into that. So there it is, all back together and ready for some action. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up if you like the content.